Today we are leaving the van and onboarding a boat. We have rented this boat for 2 weeks. So now this is our new home. I thought I'll give you a little tour of the boat. Where we sleep, where we cook, where we eat, and most importantly, where we drive. So this is our lounge area or living room, whatever you want to call it. We have a TV, a sofa and a table. Table we can put down and this turns into a double bed, which is quite handy if we get guests. Over to the kitchen. In the kitchen is equipped like a normal kitchen. We have a microwave, we have a toaster, fridge, oven and gas burner. There is plenty of storage and they actually provided all like plates and utensils and everything for us, so we only had to bring food pretty much. If we were to use heavy appliances just like the microwave, we might have just to turn on the engine to get a bit more extra power. Follow along. Oh.
Clumsy host.
Yeah. We have another handy thing, and that is extra doors. So if we have someone sleeping here and we're sleeping at the back, it actually turns into 2 rooms. But in the middle there is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Again, it's a pretty normal bathroom. It has a shower, a toilet, a sink, and plenty of storage space, which we have filled up already. You have storage space underneath here and behind this door. When we do use the shower, we have to put on a pump to pump out water, and the toilet works pretty much like a normal toilet. You just flush it. And the corridors are a bit slim, but in this corridor is my closet. And an extra door again. So here I was able to store all my clothes, pretty much. And there's some extra space left over. So this is the bedroom. You could either choose between getting 1 double bed or 2 single beds which you can walk. We thought it would be better with 2 singles so we can walk in between, but we can change it at any point if we like. And here there's actually a map of the Avon Ring, which is the route we're taking. So that's quite nice. We are in Worcester. Here we also have a little extra TV which we can watch whatever show we want to watch.
I think people know what TVs are for.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here is the entrance or exit, whatever way you enter. But this is also where we steer the boat. So yeah, this is the one we steer with. Here is the gas, and over there we have on and off and some extra buttons like horn and headlights and stuff. But it's not too complicated, to be honest. That's the end of the tour, because now we are off. And we have to go places. I can't really remember where we're going today, but I hope Jeremy has control.